Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan. This time I have taken the chapter The Enemy of class 12th for revision. So the passage has been given. We must simply tell them that we intend to give him to the police, as indeed we must thou, and we must think of the children and your position. It would endanger all of us if we did not give this man over as a prisoner of war. So certainly thou agreed. I would not think of doing anything else. Thus agreed together, they lifted the man. He was very light, like a fowl that had been half starved. Thus agreed together, they lifted the man. He was very light, like for a long time, until it is only feathers and skeleton. So his arms hanging, they carried him up the steps and into the side door of the house. This door opened into a passage, and down the passage they carried the man towards an empty bedroom. So the question is here, the word them in the first line. Options are the police, their children, their servants, their neighbors. Option will be the police. The body of the wounded soldier was as light as that of a half-starved fowl. Hannah felt that if they did not give the wounded man over as a prisoner of war, it would endanger them. Then they carried the wounded man to an empty bedroom. Question number 50. Sadao and Hannah, in trying to save the life an enemy soldier, was doing a kind and generous act. Next, 51. Frank. These questions are here. Means attempt the following. These questions are here from the chapter, the last lesson. Frank says, will they make them sing in German, even the pigeons? What does he mean to say? So here option C, that no language can be thrust on free birds, because option A, the pigeon can learn German easily, that is not correct. That the pigeon cannot learn German easily, that is not correct. That compulsory introduction of any language is not possible, this is also not correct. So option C is the correct option. What is not true about Douglas after his misadventure with water? He began to have fear of water. He began to have fear of water. Only this is which is not true, because whenever he attempted to swim, his old fear, this was true, and he felt discouraged and never dared to go near water. It was also there, because one time he did not have dared to go near water, and then he tried to overcome his fear. This is also true. So only option A is correct. Now 53. Assertion and region. The narrator wanted Sahib to go to school and get education, and then region, she felt as if Sahib were her own son. So here in this question, option C is correct. Assertion is correct, but the reason is not, because the narrator wanted Sahib to go to school, but she was not thinking Sahib as her own son. What will avail if we suspend our activities for a short duration? Correct option will be it will give us time for introspection and undo the wrong being done to life. Then my mother at 66, the poet is in. It will be here, will be in sad mood. In an elementary school classroom in a slum, the phrase future painted with a fog refers to hopelessness in the life of the slum children. Then, why does Pablo Neruda believe that stillness is something positive? So option C will be, because it involves the activity of introspection and of experiencing a bliss. Next is here, the third level in the chapter of this name is a world of escape. Question number 59. Those islands yonder, they are the stepping stones to the future of Japan. These words of Sadao's father imply that the correct option will be those islands are crucial to the progress and prosperity of Japan. Question number 60. What shall we do with this man? What does it tell about the speaker's man? So, four options are here: his dullness, his readiness, his dilemma, his decisiveness. So here correct option will be his dilemma. So this is the revision of the chapter Deep Water and the last lesson. So keep revision, and I will make another video. Thank you and Jai Hind.